Want to build a website but don't know where to start? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger, even if you're a complete beginner. Hostinger is popular because it's fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly. You get one-click WordPress installation, free SSL, and an easy control panel, perfect for blogs, business sites, or affiliate websites. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once inside the dashboard, look for websites, then click Add Website. Choose WordPress as your platform. Enter your website name, admin email, username, and password. Select your domain, click Install, and Hostinger does the rest automatically. In just a few seconds, your WordPress website is ready. Click Admin Panel, and you'll enter the WordPress dashboard where you can install themes, add pages, and start publishing content. From here, you can customize your design, add plugins, and create your first post or page. No coding required. If you want to start your WordPress website today, check the link in the description to get Hostinger WordPress hosting and begin building your site in minutes.